tired of tripping over shoes and losing your keys in the cluttered chaos of a cramped apartment? Living in a small home doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style or sanity. We have scoured the DIY world to bring you the ultimate list of space-saving hacks that are easy, affordable, and incredibly effective. Whether you are dealing with a tiny kitchen or a bedroom that is essentially a closet, these 9 game-changing ideas will help you reclaim your floor space and breathe easy. It is time to stop fighting your square footage and start making every inch of your home work for you. Let's dive into these clever storage solutions and transform your living environment today. Number 1. The industrial chic pegboard wall. Maximize every inch of your vertical real estate by installing a customized pegboard wall. Traditionally found in garages, this industrial chic solution is perfect for kitchens or craft rooms where counter space is at a premium. You can paint the board to match your decor and use various hooks to hang pots, pans, measuring cups, or even small potted herbs. The beauty of this DIY project lies in its complete flexibility. As your collection grows or changes, you can simply rearrange the hooks without drilling new holes. It turns a plain, useless wall into a functional and aesthetic storage powerhouse for your home. Number 2. The tension rod under sink hack. The dark abyss under your kitchen or bathroom sink is often a wasted zone of cluttered bottles and sponges. By installing a simple, inexpensive tension rod across the width of the cabinet, you create an instant hanging rack for spray bottles and cleaning supplies. This frees up the bottom surface for larger items or storage bins, effectively doubling your usable storage area overnight. It is a non-permanent solution, making it ideal for renters who cannot drill into cabinetry. Plus, it keeps your most used cleaners at eye level and within easy reach, streamlining your daily chores and keeping your cabinets tidy. Number 3. Over-the-door pocket power. Over-the-door clear pocket organizers are the secret weapon of professional organizers everywhere. While usually marketed for shoes, these versatile plastic pockets can hold anything from snacks in the pantry to cleaning supplies in the laundry room or beauty products in a small bathroom. Because they are transparent, you can see exactly where everything is at a glance, saving you from digging through deep drawers. This DIY hack utilizes the dead space on the back of your doors, which is usually completely ignored. It is an affordable way to organize dozens of small items without sacrificing an inch of precious floor space. Number 4. Magnetic strips for metal essentials. Stop digging through messy drawers for your tweezers, nail clippers, or bobby pins. By mounting a sleek magnetic knife strip inside your bathroom medicine cabinet or on the wall, you create an instant home for all your small metal grooming tools. This hack is also fantastic in the kitchen for storing spice jars with metal lids or your chef's knives, keeping your countertops clear. The magnetic force keeps items securely in place while remaining incredibly easy to grab. It is a minimalist design choice that adds a touch of modern efficiency to any cramped and cluttered living environment in your home. Number 5. Tiered hanging fruit baskets. 3-tier wire fruit baskets aren't just for apples and oranges in the kitchen. They are a brilliant vertical storage solution for small bathrooms. Hang one from a sturdy ceiling hook in a corner to store extra toilet paper rolls, bath bombs, or rolled-up hand towels. This keeps these items off the limited counter space and away from wet surfaces. The open wire design allows for airflow and adds a charming rustic touch to your decor. It is a simple, unexpected DIY that converts vertical air into valuable storage space, making your bathroom feel much more organized and surprisingly spacious. Number 6. The rolling utility cart station. A slim rolling utility cart is the ultimate versatile DIY furniture piece for small homes. These narrow units can fit into tiny gaps between the fridge and the wall, or act as a mobile bedside table in a cramped bedroom. Use the multiple tiers to categorize your items, such as coffee supplies on top and baking goods on the bottom. The best part is the portability. You can wheel it out when you need it and tuck it away when you don't. Paint it a bright color to make it a focal point or a neutral tone to blend in. Number 7. Sliding undershelf wire baskets. Expand your storage capacity without buying new furniture by using wire undershelf baskets. These clever organizers slide right onto existing shelves in your pantry, closet, or office, creating an extra layer of storage in the air that usually goes to waste. They are perfect for storing lightweight items like linens, sandwich bags, or stationery. Since they require no tools for installation, they are a quick and damage-free way to optimize your cabinetry. You can stack your items vertically while still keeping them accessible, effectively doubling the efficiency of every shelf in your home without performing any major renovation. Number 8. Command hook pot lid organizers. Pot lids are the bane of organized kitchen cabinets, often creating a noisy, cluttered mess. A simple DIY fix involves using adhesive plastic hooks mounted to the inside of your cabinet doors. Position 2 hooks at an angle for each lid to rest in, securing them firmly against the door. This utilizes the forgotten space on the back of the door and keeps your pots neatly stacked inside the cabinet. It is a cheap, effective, and renter-friendly way to reclaim your kitchen's sanity. You'll never have to rummel through a mountain of metal to find a matching lid again. Number 9. Floating corner shelving units. Corners are often the most underutilized areas in small apartments, but they offer great potential for extra storage. Installing small floating corner shelves allows you to display books, plants, or decorative items without needing a bulky bookcase that takes up floor space. You can build these yourself using scrap wood and simple brackets for a custom look that fits your style perfectly. By drawing the eye upward and into the corners, you create an illusion of a larger, more dynamic room. It is a stylish way to add character and organization to any room with minimal square footage.